October is more than just a month. It's a celebration of dreams, hard work, and the heartbeat of our communities, small businesses. Join us this October as we come together to celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship, innovation, and the local businesses that make our neighborhoods vibrant. It's a month filled with bustling markets, exciting festivals, and a sense of unity. October is when our communities shine brightest. During Small Business Month, we celebrate the incredible journeys of entrepreneurs who turned their dreams into reality. Their stories inspire us all to reach for the stars. This month is about more than just individual success. It's about collaboration, partnerships, and the power of unity. Together, we can achieve so much more. Discover the richness of our local products and services. Each item tells a story and represents the talent and creativity of our small business owners. Small businesses aren't just places to shop. They are the pillars of our community. They support local causes, provide jobs, and create a sense of belonging for all of us. Join us this October. Embrace the spirit of community, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Support local businesses, share their stories, and be a part of something extraordinary. Together, let's make this Small Business Month unforgettable. Because when we support small businesses, we're not just investing in products. We're investing in dreams, in people, and in the very essence of our community.